Hi y'all, I'm Bill.
I'm Nancy.
And we are
The Thin Blue Lane.
Hi everybody, it's Bill from the Thin Blue Lane. And this is Buddy. Hey Buddy. Say hi Buddy. Hello. Hi. He thought he'd join in on this particular video, so we're going to have him in this video with us. Y'all know that this page of ours has been about and taking you with us on this journey toward getting ready to go full-time RVing on the road as opposed to just living in this thing. And one of the things we have to do towards that goal is we have some 3-4 year old tires on the rig, and this video is a time lapse of going and getting new tires put on. We're not going to bore you with them.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Thin Blue Lane, and today is moving day. We're actually about to go take the coach over to get some new tires so we can make sure that we're safe by the time that is time for us to roll out. So as you can see, hold on, there's the husband. Hello, Mango Tango.
Oh, it's Tango Mango.
Hello, Tango Mango. Say hello to our viewers.
Hello, YouTube people.
So anyways, it's moving day. So I have to finish because we almost got rained on and we need to get going. So see you in a bit. I wanted to show you guys, you have not seen, but this is what our rig looks like with all of the slides closed. So I mean, you have a little bit of room right here where you can actually get to your fridge, which is a good thing, and your bathroom. So
Get to the fridge, and get to the bathroom and the bedroom.
okay, now moving on to the outside. Okay guys, so we finally made it to Discount Tire. We were running a little bit behind, but we made it. And Bill is out there right now talking to them, see how they're going to want us to pull this monster into this parking lot. So we'll see how that goes. we are back from the tire place. We finally got them changed. It took us a little bit, but we finally got it done. And I wanted to show you guys something that I thought about, that I learned the hard way, that I'm going to pass on to you. When you were moving your house, my problem was that my cans and everything I had in my pantry would fall down. So I was trying to figure something out to hold them in there, especially because this right here is glass and I did not want this to break. So let me show you guys what I did. And on a budget, of course.
Very nice.
Got these at Home Depot, and these Bill ordered for me on Amazon. Actually, how much were they? Do you remember?
Don't remember.
They were a couple dollars. I mean,
We're going to go over that in another video.
Yeah, not even 10. We'll let you guys know. But anyways, I wanted to show you, and look. This one holds, well, we just moved, so that one's going to fall. But it holds it really, really well. So you don't run the risk of anything falling over and breaking the glass into your pantry. So if you have something similar of a pantry at your house, feel free to copy this. I say all you need is extension rods and cardboard. Originally, I was thinking about doing wood, but cardboard is so much easier and a lot cheaper and on a budget, and you can always replace it anytime that you need. So I love it. Feel free to steal the idea, and if there's another pantry hack that you know about, please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you do to hold your stuff, and I'd be interested to see what other ways are there to
take it
do
loose,
things.
show them how it's configured.
Let's see here. Now, let me show you. Like I said, these are extension rods, open, closed, and then it fits. Fairly easy. And you can adjust the tension, which is a good thing. I mean, you don't want to overly extend it because, I mean, your RV walls are not per se, you know, that sturdy, and last thing you want to do is poke a hole through there. See, hear that, guys? Let's see if we can get a look in here. See, we had some stuff all over.
Yeah, I'm taller. I should have moved it before you opened that. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of stuff falling down there.
But see, this is exactly what it prevents from that falling onto your glass door in your pantry.
Yeah, if you pull that out, it's just gonna tumble. There's not really much choice, so at least it won't break the glass. Come on, bring it out.
Oh, it's only one can.
Bring it on out. We'll see about how many cans it is.
All right, you guys ready? We'll see how my contraption works, and I guess we will learn together what we can do to fix it. This will be fun.
Not too bad. Not too bad. A lot better than the first time we moved. Without.
Wow, look at that. Yeah.
Normally, what we have to do is take a lot of the stuff out of here and put it in boxes, and that's a lot of extra work when we get where we're going.
The last one that I opened the pantry, most of this stuff, and up here it was down here, and I was really glad that my glass door didn't break.
Okay, say bye.
See you later.
And now for some first ever outtakes from the Thin Blue Lane.
So I learned from that next time I need to put something on there.
Somebody else is on our frequency.
Tell them that this is a Starfleet channel. You are invading Federation space. Identify yourself and surrender your vessel. Resistance is futile. Were you recording all that? That's my report, Captain.
It's going to be good outtakes.
Hi guys. guys, Nancy here. Thank you for watching this video. We really appreciate your likes and your comments. If you see anything in here that you like, go ahead and comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.